말 못할 분노로 가득 차 있는 이 여자.
People I'd love to kill. Man-spreaders. Donna in the mini-market. Who is never happy to help.
All off in my face.
Got an alligator in your garden and what? How big is it?
Norman from work.
No, I can't put that on the front page.
For failing to acknowledge my potential.
리에너는 소심한 성격 때문에 존재감이 없었고 그래서 주변 사람들에게 늘 무시당하는 신세였죠.
People who have sex with you and then only reply to your texts with emojis.
그녀가 소심해진 이유는 어린 시절의 상처 때문이었는데
Our mum for leaving and forgetting to tell us where she went. And forever at the top of my list, Julia Blenkingsop.
Did you hear Rhiannon died?
Oh, no, I didn't.
For subjecting me to a relentless campaign of psychological abuse between the ages of 12 and 16. For making me pull so much of my hair out that I had to wear a wig. Julia Blenkingsop.
자신을 지독하게 괴롭힌 줄리아를 그 누구보다 증오하고 있었죠. 하지만 세상 모두를 증오하는 그녀가 유일하게 의지하는 한 사람이 있었는데요.
Dad?
바로 병에 걸려 죽어가는 그녀의 아빠였습니다.
Nurse? Oh, excuse me.
I pulled out the wire.
You prick.
늘 당당한 성격이었던 아빠는 언제나 그녀에게 똑같은 조언을 해주곤 했는데요.
You let people take the piss. You need to learn to stand up for yourself.
I know.
Don't let people walk all over you. Make them see you, how you are, how special you are. Just be more.
점점 심해지는 아빠의 상태를 의사에게 알리러 가는데
Sorry, can I...
This isn't good enough. I pay for your fucking wages.
Oh, can I have a raise then?
Sorry, I just need,
Hey, I'm talking to you.
진상을 부리는 남자 때문에 또다시 무시당하고 말았죠. 그리고 소심한 그녀가 주저하던 짧은 순간에 아빠는 돌아올 수 없는 강을 건너버리고 맙니다.
letting him down again. People I'd love to kill. Everyone.
그리고 다음 날 아빠의 장례식에서도 그녀는 찬밥 신세였는데요.
As I was saying, Tommy will be missed. But he'll be missed most by his family.
You weren't coming. Flight was delayed.
Daughter Seren, mother to his only grandchild Noel, daughter and carer Rhiannon,
That's not my name.
and not to mention his dedicated employees.
그리고 그곳에서 생각지도 못한 불청객을 만나고 맙니다.
What is she doing here?
She moved back. She wanted to pay her respects.
심지어 아무렇지 않게 그녀에게 말을 걸어오는데
Oh my God, hi! It's been so long, hasn't it? I mean, I haven't seen you since school. Things are different now, aren't they?
자신이 한 짓을 기억조차 전혀 못하고 있는 것 같았죠. 잠시 후 장례식이 끝나고 언니는 충격적인 이야기를 꺼내게 되는데요.
We need to sell the house and the business, probably.
What?
아빠가 죽자마자 그녀의 허락도 없이 집을 팔기로 결정해버렸죠.
But where would I go? All of Dad's stuff.
Sorry, it's happening. I've got an estate agent. Julia's doing it.
심지어 집을 팔아넘기는 것을 도와줄 사람은 바로 증오스럽기 짝이 없는 줄리아였습니다. 결국 집도 없이 쫓겨날 신세가 된 그녀는 돈이 필요했는데요.
I'd like to be considered for the junior reporter position. Please.
Wasn't expecting that.
그래서 잡일만 하는 대신 용기 내서 편기자에 지원하게 되지만
The thing is, Sweet Pea, I don't really see you in editorial to be, you know, you're a bit. Oh, la 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 la.
소심하다는 이유로 그녀의 부탁을 들은 척도 하지 않았죠.
Was there something else?
No. Thank you.
Oh, would you put these in the recycling? Only way out.
그리고 낙하산으로 들어온 신입을 그녀 대신 편기자에 앉히고 맙니다.
I'd like to introduce you to AJ.
Hello.
AJ will be our new junior reporter from tomorrow. Be nice to him. Not too nice. Lana, I know what you're like. Lock up your daughters.
No, lock up your notepads.
그렇게 되는 일 하나 없는 하루를 마치고 유일한 낙인 강아지 산책을 나가게 되는데 어떻게든 잊고 살려 애썼던 과거의 악몽이 다시 그녀의 발목을 붙잡고 있었죠. 그때
Tink.
결국 끔찍한 일들이 꼬리에 꼬리를 물고 일어나게 됩니다.
Hey, Saren. Hope France is good. Tink's dead now, too. And please don't sell the house, Saren. Please. It's my home. She can't take this too. So you can just tell her just fuck off. She is not gonna ruin my life again. Actually, I'll tell her.
마지막 남은 집마저 잃을 수 없었던 그녀는 줄리아를 직접 찾아가게 되는데요.
Julia!
Rhiannon! I didn't see you. What are you doing here?
I need you to stay out of my house. Okay, I don't want you in it.
You need to sort this out with your sister. I'm just doing this for Saren.
Why me, Julia?
I have no idea what you're talking
You
about.
ruined my life. My life is shit because of you. So just stop, okay? Stop.
하지만 돌아오는 말은 잔인한 무시와 조롱뿐이었죠.
Babe, I'm not in your life, so all the shit, that's on you. You didn't exist to me then, and you don't now. Delusional. It's fucking creepy.
결국 절망에 빠진 채 그곳에서 도망치고 마는데요.
Shit without you.
그런 그녀에게 남은 건 아빠의 유품인 칼 한 자루뿐이었죠.
What the fuck?
Whoa! Didn't see ya.
결국 억눌려 있던 이성의 끈이 끊어져 버리고 맙니다.
Oh, what the fuck?
Do you see me now?
Well, I'll fucking end you, you stupid bitch.
You are so fucking...
Do you see me now? Do you see me now?
그렇게 넘지 말아야 할 선을 넘어버리게 되지만 왠지 모르게 그 어느 때보다 홀가분한 기분이었죠. 그리고 다음 날 개운한 마음으로 잠에서 깨어나게 되는데
Your life has a purpose, shit. But now I know.
그제서야 전날 일이 꿈이 아닌 현실임을 깨닫게 됩니다. 그렇게 정신없이 피 묻은 흔적들을 정리하기 시작하는데요. 그때 사업 때문에 아빠 회사의 직원이었던 크레이그가 찾아온 것이었죠.
Oh, sorry, I was,
Sorry,
You look. Have you done something different? Like your hair or face?
I brushed it.
Oh, you should do it more often. It looks nice.
Thanks. Sorry, what was it you wanted?
Yeah, so, here.
What is it?
It's a business agreement for Tommy's transformations. I want to buy it.
I have to go, sorry.
그리고 그의 말처럼 뭔가 달라졌다는 것을 느끼게 되는데요. 선을 넘은 그녀는 예전과는 다른 사람이 되어가고 있었습니다. 그리고 출근하던 중 자신이 저지른 사건 현장을 보게 되는데요. 하지만 회사에는 아직 소식이 전해지지 않고 있었죠.
How we doing front page wise, folks? AJ, first day. Want to start us off?
Massive disruption amid major gas works.
Oh, Jeff today. It's a shame.
Dead body.
What?
Dead body, everyone.
Yes.
Pulled from the canal this morning.
Oh, Jeff. Come on. What do we know?
Still waiting for more info.
Oh, I could give my mate a call. He lives on a barge down there.
Excellent, AJ. Excellent. River full. Always come in unexpectedly handy.
We should just wait for my police.
그때
It's a murder. On Meadow Lane Lock. The police were there this morning.
There are police in places. Doesn't mean it's a murder, does it? Could mean someone going for a walk, accident, suicide.
He was stabbed, actually.
또다시 무시당하는 상황에 밝혀지지 않은 정보를 말해버리고 마는데
I heard somebody talking about it on the bus.
Hearsay.
Well, I mean, we should go down there, right? Now that we actually know something.
Another great idea, AJ.
하지만 새로운 AJ에게만 관심이 쏠릴 뿐이었습니다.
I mean, it was Rhiannon.
Come on, people, let's get going.
그리고 그녀를 빼놓은 채 사건을 취재할 준비를 하기 시작하는데
Well, we need an identity, obviously, and something else. A quote from the family. Something spicy. Who's probably married with kids.
Well, I can see if there's any leaks online or anything on the socials.
Yeah.
그러던 중 그녀에게 전화 한 통이 걸려오게 되는데요.
Good afternoon, the Gazette. Can I help you?
Pepper Fridge Norman. It's Jeff, obviously.
Oh, yeah, he is unavailable right now. Can I take a message?
We have an identity. Look, time to call me. I have to stay here. I want to see if I can get a follow-up with the SI home.
Name. Can I have a name?
Excuse me? It's about signal.
Norman wants a name.
Ryan Lloyd. Look, can you tell him that?
그렇게 피해자의 이름과 주소를 알게 되고 그가 취재하러 가기 전에 선수를 치게 됩니다.
I have a name and address.
You what?
Ryan Lloyd, 34 Priory Gardens, CA 435QU. He lived with his mum.
What? How did you...
I'd like to get that quote for you. Maybe we'll learn what the killer did.
Oh, hang on, Sweet Pea. This is Jeff's thing.
Jeff had a puncture. This sort of thing needs some feminine energy, if there's a grieving mum. Don't you think?
하지만 불청객 한 명이 따라오게 되는데
I'm sorry he wanted me to come too.
It's fine.
It certainly beats Vox Pops on the high street about pigeon
The
violence.
person is dead.
No, yeah.
Sorry. My dad died. And my dog. So...
Shit.
And so it's like I'm going to someone's house to ask them how they feel about their loved one dying, and I already know how it feels. It feels like there's a fucking hole there.
I'd be like mid-breakdown right now, but you're holding it together. Or are you not? Because it would be okay if you weren't.
자신의 자리를 빼앗아갔다고만 생각했던 AJ는 생각보다 따뜻한 사람이었죠.
I've been getting really angry, actually, lately. Like, really angry. Not all the time, just sometimes. When I do, it's like I save it all up and then it just... You know, it all comes out all at once.
I mean, I feel like that's pretty normal. I was a total monster when my gran died.
Yeah?
Yeah, I kicked a wall, which broke my little toe. Left a massive scarf. So.
Yeah. You're a monster.
그리고 피해자의 어머니를 만나 인터뷰를 하게 되는데
We've had so much sodding tea. See, when he didn't come home, I thought he was off having fun. See, I can't believe that the monster who did this, they're just out there, walking about. I'll rip this skin off them if I get hold of them.
슬픔에 잠긴 가족들의 모습에 죄책감을 느낄 수밖에 없었죠.
I keep thinking he's gonna walk through that door any minute.
Sorry, can I use the toilet?
그리고 화장실에 가던 중 평범해 보이는 피해자의 방을 보게 되는데요. 쓰레기통에 들어있던 서류 안에는 놀라운 내용이 적혀 있었습니다. 사실 피해자인 로이드는 줄리아처럼 누군가를 괴롭혀온 또 다른 가해자였죠.
You okay? Did it all get too much back there?
Can we make a stop? 73 Culverden Road.
Why?
Found this in Ryan's room. It's a restraining order. Ryan got dismissed for inappropriate conduct, and then they sent this because he wouldn't stay away.
What? You went into a dead man's bedroom?
What?
I mean, anyway, he was murdered. Kind of doesn't matter if he was an arsehole.
No, we need to find out if he deserved to die. I think there could be something in it. That's all. For the story. It would really piss Jeff off.
그렇게 피해자를 찾아가 인터뷰를 하게 되는데요.
It started so small. Just, you know, he'd make little comments. And then he started hiding my stuff. And then he'd send nasty links. It sounds so playground, but all those things, they make you feel crazy.
He made me disappear inside myself.
Yeah, I didn't want to be here.
I know what that feels like. It can't hurt you now.
그의 인터뷰를 토대로 새로운 기사를 구상하게 됩니다.
Hi, Norman. I have,
You, in here.
But I honestly thought that's what you said, Jeff. I mean, you had bad signal. It was a crappy line, but you definitely said go.
I said go tell Norman.
I didn't hear that. But we found something.
She found something.
Go on, then.
Dead man terrorized colleague.
What?
Oh, Canal guy?
Yeah.
And his mum told you that?
Well, no. To see a ex-work colleague.
Ah, Norman, for Christ's sake, this is...
Go on.
Got proof.
I don't think we can use this. It's too unsavoury. The bloke's a murder victim.
Yeah, but he's a terrible person. You should have heard him.
What?
Dave Ferris. His victim.
그리고 자극적인 기사의 내용이 국장의 흥미를 끌게 되는데요.
Okay. What? Jeff will write it up. It's Jeff's story. It's his dead body, so to speak. You'll get your credit too. Calm down.
결국 단독 기사를 쓰지는 못했지만 기자로서의 첫 발을 내디딜 수 있었죠.
Few of us are going for pints at the Bell.
Okay. Have a nice time.
You've probably got plans, but if you don't, maybe you'd like to join us.
I'd like to come.
Well, it's a good opportunity to celebrate. You did well today.
Thank you.
그렇게 처음으로 회사의 일원으로 인정받게 됩니다. 그리고 회식을 하러 간 술집에서 우연히 크레이그를 만나게 되는데
I'm glad I bumped into you, actually.
You are?
Yeah, like about the business agreement.
Right, yeah.
Well, just like, have you read it? That's why I done it in Comic Sans, try and like liven up.
I haven't read it yet, sorry.
Like, trust me, all you got to do, sign on the dotted line.
Yeah, I don't know if I can trust you, actually, with Dad's business. Right.
늘 휘둘리기만 하던 예전과 달리 이제는 당당해질 수 있었죠.
Right. I'm gonna sing.
그런데 갑자기 나타난 경찰을 보고 겁에 질리게 되는데요.
Bitch, you are so fucked. You are so fucking fucked.
He was a fucking cunt.
그녀가 죄책감을 느끼고 겁에 질릴 때마다 자기 합리화는 더욱더 강해지기만 했죠. 그리고 나오는 길에 한 남자를 보게 되는데
Friendly smile while you're at it. You can manage that. Come on. Chop, chop.
Wait, chop, chop. Talking to you. Hey, come on.
Sorry, my dad.
Chop, chop. Come on.
바로 아빠를 죽게 만든 진상 손님이었습니다. 그리고 쓰레기처럼 보이는 그의 행동에 또 한 번 선을 넘을 결심을 하게 되죠.
Hi, excuse me. I've lost my dog.
I think she went in here. I think she went under here, but I can't move the bin.
Can you have a look?
What's his name?
그렇게 소심하던 그녀는 점점 괴물이 되어가고 있었습니다. 그리고 그녀의 다음 타겟은 바로
People I'd love to kill.
자신을 괴물로 만들어버린 장본인인 줄리아였죠. 그리고 몰래 그녀의 정보를 수집하기 시작하는데
Julia Blenkingsop for having a cool job with good morale and scope for career progression.
그야말로 자신이 갖지 못한 것을 모두 가진 성공한 인생을 살고 있었죠.
And for not peeking at school like bullies are supposed to do. Julia fucking Blenkingsop for her perfect little life.
그렇게 그녀를 죽일 계획을 세워나가게 되는데 늘 소심했던 그녀의 변한 모습에 주변의 반응도 점점 바뀌게 됩니다.
Look, I know I've been a knob.
Which time?
Well, at the pub. And before, with the emojis. Sorry.
그렇게 늘 그녀를 무시했던 크레이그와도 다시 가까워지고 직장 동료들에게도 한 발 먼저 적극적으로 다가가려 하는데요.
Hiya.
You're a bit late, Sweet Pea.
Oh, yeah, sorry. I got you posh coffee.
Oh?
Oat milk, right, Jeff?
Yeah.
There's pastries in the kitchen if anybody wants
one.
하지만 그런 그녀를 배신하는 사건이 생기고 마는데 약속과 다르게 기사에는 그녀 이름이 빠져 있었죠.
Here it is. Administrative Assistant Rhiannon Lewis. 016-32-960-800.
Yeah, I just thought it would be on the front page next to my story.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did you write it?
It's my story. I gave you it. My name should be on it.
If you want your name on something, I'll lend you my label maker. You can put your name on a stapler.
하지만 이제 당하고만 있을 그녀가 아니었는데요. 그렇게 소소한 복수를 해주게 됩니다.
Oh, Christ. What did he eat? Help him home.
Get well soon, Jeff.
그리고 그날 밤 달라진 모습으로 크레이그를 만나게 되는데요.
A bit underdressed now.
No, you look nice.
Yeah. Have you got the agreement?
Was I supposed to bring it?
Well, yeah. That's the whole point of the... I was going to talk you through it.
하지만 그녀의 목적은 계약이 아니었습니다.
Do you have a copy of the agreement at your place?
No, I only had enough ink for one. That's why I had all them pink stripes on the last page.
이렇게 다시 한번 그와 뜨거운 하룻밤을 보내게 되죠. 그리고 행복한 기분으로 다음 날을 시작하려는 그때
Hello, this is DC Marina Farah of the North Berkshire Police. Is this Rhiannon Lewis?
참고인 조사를 위해 경찰서로 불려가고 마는데요.
So, what were you doing in the area that evening?
I was just out drinking. Yeah, I was pretty hammered actually.
And what was the occasion?
Was it just an average Tuesday night?
Well, my dad died.
Oh my God.
And my dog.
I'm just so sorry. See, my world.
그녀의 불쌍한 사연을 듣고 간단히 의심을 거두게 되죠. 하지만 부하 경찰인 페로는 철저하게 조사하려 하는데
What time did you go to the club?
About 11.
Were you with anyone? Did you see anyone you know?
Why?
They might have seen something. It's good to follow up.
I was with friends.
Great. Names?
Pidge, Annie, Lucille, Julia Blenkinsop. Actually, you know, there was one thing. There was a big group of lads. You know, like laddie lads, lad lads. I don't know if maybe they could have done it.
Mom!
Sorry to interrupt. Can I have a word? Now, Sergeant.
알게 모르게 무시당하는 그녀의 모습이 자신의 모습과 겹쳐 보였죠.
Does she always do that?
What?
Not see you?
Sorry, we're gonna have to wrap things up. Thanks for coming in, Rihanna. You take care.
그렇게 무사히 취조를 마치고 그날 밤 또다시 크레이그를 만나러 가는데
I mean, look, if it was me, I'd have a hot tub in every room.
무슨 일인지 줄리아와 함께 있는 그의 모습을 보게 됩니다.
Hi.
Sorry, what is she doing here?
그리고 믿을 수 없는 이야기를 듣게 되는데요.
I spoke to Saren after I came round. I might flip it.
언니가 팔아버린 아빠의 집을 구매하기로 한 사람은 바로 그녀였습니다. 차근차근 계획을 세우고 있던 그녀였지만 이제는 더 이상 참을 수 없었는데요. 그렇게 줄리아의 차에 펑크를 내고 그녀를 기다리게 되죠. 그리고 집에 데려다 준다고 말하며 자신의 트럭에 태우게 되는데
What kind of music do you like?
That's such a weird question. I like Magic FM.
Like the optimism of it. Yeah, like how they think relentless soft adult contemporary classics will just improve your life no matter what's going on in it. You've got quite a nice life, don't you, Julia?
It's all right.
결국 냉동고와 장비가 있는 창고까지 그녀를 데려오게 됩니다.
Another body found today. Big bully, stabbed to death and left to rot behind the bins.
Sorry, where am I supposed to be looking?
It was me, Julia. I killed those men.
What the actual fuck?
They deserved it. They were bullies, just like you. You ruined my life, Julia. You ruined it then and you're doing it again now. I want an apology.
For what?
You know what you did.
그렇게 오랫동안 꿈꿔왔던 복수를 실행에 옮기게 되는데요.
What the fuck? This is actually a kidnapping. You're doing a kidnapping.
Well, it was meant to be a murder, but once again, you have to go and ruin everything.
Rhiannon, please. And you can call the Samaritans or something.
Are you taking the piss?
We were kids. It was a joke.
A joke. You bullied me until I started pulling my hair out.
That was years ago, Rhiannon. It's not healthy being so stuck in the past.
I wore a wig until I was 23.
Rhiannon.
I'm stuck here because of you. You made me feel fucking invisible, Julia. And I stayed in this town, in this house because of you, and now you're trying to take that away from me too.
I don't care about your shit life.
하지만 죽을 위기에 놓였는데도 반성할 생각이 없었죠.
This is just like you, Rhi. Stop it. Stop what? I'm not the one playing out some dramatic kidnap fantasy. You're a murderer now. A serial killer. Fuck off. Why are you so fucking weird? You're not a victim. You're a fucking loser who blames everyone else for your shit life.
그녀의 당당한 모습에 또다시 패배감이 치밀게 되는데 결국 열등감에 휩싸인 채 그녀를 이용할 작전을 세우게 되는데요.
I've got a scoop for you.
People tend not to say scoop in the real world, Sweet Pea. They say lead or exclusive.
It's about the murders.
자신이 저지른 사건을 직접 뉴스로 써서 기자로서 인정받을 생각이었습니다.
Missing woman. Think she could be our third victim.
And if it was a missing person, I'd know about it. I know people, police people, so yeah, I'd know about it.
Not if the police don't know about it yet.
Who's your source?
You go write it. Junior reporter.
결국 정식으로 편기자 자리를 손에 넣게 되고 줄리아의 남자친구를 찾아가 인터뷰까지 하게 되는데요.
So, why don't you tell me what's happened?
She's just never done anything like this before, you know. She always replies to my texts, and until last night, and she didn't come home.
So what did you do?
Well, when I couldn't reach her around 7, I checked Find My Friends, and that was turned off, and we're always able to reach one another, you know.
And how have things been between you? Are you happy? Is she happy?
We're fine, we're good, you know.
Do you have any photos I could use for the article? Wistful, maybe?
Yeah, I've got just the one.
그렇게 잘난 삶을 사는 그녀의 물건들까지 훔쳐오고 그에게 알아낸 내용으로 자극적인 실종 기사를 써내게 되죠.
It's official. You're a published writer.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
No, hold on.
Thanks.
그리고 AJ와도 점점 가까운 사이가 되어가는데
In 1972, Seattle's Crime Prevention Advisory Committee unknowingly appointed which serial killer?
It's Ted Bundy. Ted Bundy.
You sure?
It's Ted Bundy.
Bundy?
Pens down for 5 bonus points. The answer was Ted Bundy.
You are full of surprises.
그때
Oi! Get your hands off my missus.
갑자기 나타난 크레이그가 해방을 놓기 시작했죠.
Actually, do you mind if I grab her for a couple of minutes? Is that okay?
Yeah, I'll leave you to it then.
Oh, AJ, you don't...
No, I do actually have to go because it was supposed to be a quick pint.
You alright, mate? Oh, what?
그리고 그에게 해명하려던 리에너는 뜻밖의 남자와 마주치게 되는데
Fuck's sake.
Marcus, you alright?
Oh, fine.
잔뜩 취한 그에게 생각지도 못한 이야기를 듣게 됩니다.
Not sure Julie would like that.
Fuck her.
What?
She doesn't even love me.
Marcus, what do you mean? You said that everything was...
Hello? Yeah,
Marcus, what's going on?
spring rolls.
그리고 그의 핸드폰을 몰래 확인해 보는데 사실 누구보다 잘난 인생을 사는 듯 보였던 그녀는 한 가지 비밀을 숨기고 있었죠.
I'm onto you.
That hurts, Rhiannon.
You make it look like you've got this perfect life. It's all fake, isn't it?
What?
You're awful. I know it. Marcus knows it.
What's he got to do with it?
That's right. You won't have seen his many, many messages. Why won't you fucking reply? You always do this, you fucking bitch. Why are you always trying to hurt me? You're abusive.
그녀가 남자친구를 괴롭힌 것이라고 생각하고 점점 몰아붙이게 됩니다.
So what'd you do to him?
Nothing.
Well, you must have done something, because he is not happy with you.
I didn't do anything.
What was it? Did you erode his self-worth and general context in the world?
No.
You ruin lives, Julia. You're like cancer.
그리고 당당하기만 했던 그녀도 결국 무너지게 되는데요.
I'm a terrible person. I deserve him. I deserve this. It's all a lie. I'm a huge fucking fake. Is that what you want to hear?
그런데
He's a fucking monster. I don't know.
처음 보는 그녀의 약한 모습에 당황할 수밖에 없었죠. 한편 남몰래 그녀의 사건을 추적하고 있는 한 사람이 있었는데요. 그녀는 리에넌을 계속 수상하게 여겼지만 아무도 그녀의 말을 들어주지 않았고 매일같이 경찰서의 잡일이나 담당하는 신세였죠.
Yeah, ooh, paperwork. Just chuck it in the bin.
Not at all. I love it. Love paperwork. Love it. It's just, I think it's a dead end. DS Starger and I spoke to everyone at the club and no one saw anything. I was hoping to go join the others at the second crime scene.
And Rory said something about a witness mentioning some laddie lads. Did you look into that?
Yeah, I just didn't think being laddie qualified as much of a motive, Mom.
I need facts, DC Farah, and you're giving me your interpretation, so go back through the CCTV, look into it. Focus on your task.
결국 수사에도 끼지 못하고 리에넌이 보았다던 남자들을 찾아보게 되는데
Boom. What are you up to?
I'm following up on the Rhiannon Lewis statement. She said she saw some dodgy lads the night of Ryan Lloyd's murder. Yeah, I've got like 3 more hours of this to...
Them there. I'll leave you to it then.
Uh-huh. Yeah, really scary.
친구들과 클럽에 갔다는 그녀의 진술과는 다르게 누가 봐도 따돌림을 당하는 사람의 모습이었습니다. 그리고 그날 밤 리에넌이 직접 쓴 뉴스 기사를 보게 되는데요.
I was with friends. Pidge, Annie, Lucille, Julia Blenkinsop.
그렇게 진짜 범인의 정체를 깨닫게 됩니다. 그로부터 며칠 후 마을 사람들은 수색대를 꾸려 줄리아를 찾기 시작하지만 무슨 일인지 그녀는 아직도 리에넌의 창고에 갇혀 있었는데요.
How long are you going to keep me here for?
I'm going to keep you here. I'm going to kill you.
So why haven't you?
Shut up!
처음에는 그녀를 죽일 생각이었지만 그녀의 진심을 듣고 마음속에 고민이 생기고 있었죠.
Bon appetit.
Thank. Marcus won't stop looking for me.
But you'll be dead when he finds you.
I didn't mean what I said about him.
그녀는 마커스에게 오랫동안 시달려왔지만 그에게 당해온 가스라이팅 때문에 스스로를 속이고 있었는데요.
Which part? The part about him being a monster or you deserving it? Because they both sound about right.
He's been under a lot of pressure, doing up this place on the edge of town. He got it for me.
Should I bury you under the patio or?
There's something wrong with you.
And whose fault is that?
그때
If you say a single word, I will kill whoever is at that door and then you. Understand?
Hi.
Hey.
회사를 쉬고 있는 그녀를 걱정해서 찾아온 것이었죠.
Norman sent me. He wants to check if you're okay.
I texted him. I said I was sick.
Well, I think he's just stressed because the whole Julia story is blowing up. The search party tomorrow? I mean, Jeff's all over it.
Just tell him I'll be in tomorrow.
Sure.
Are we okay? I felt kind of weird about how he left things at the pub and...
Is there? Is there someone in...
No. There's no one there.
Yeah, no, I know you're with Craig, so it's fine. We're friends.
그렇게 또다시 그의 오해를 사고 마는데
I told you it was an accident. I thought you didn't want them.
You are just so... Where are the scissors?
No, people are looking for me. I heard. The police will be onto you.
Why'd you have to come back here? Oh, I was doing fine without you.
결국 그녀의 몸 상태를 보고 목욕까지 시켜주게 됩니다.
It's your own fault.
You sound like Marcus.
I am nothing like him.
You are exactly like him. Put me through a glass door last time I tried to leave him. He hurts me, so do you. You won't let me go. Neither will you.
No, because what he's doing is bullying, and I protect people from bullies. So...
Where do I fit in all that?
I don't know. You're ruining it all.
한편 페로는 사건의 진범을 상부에게 알리게 되는데
Because Rhiannon Lewis did it. All of it. She was at the club the night that Ryan Lloyd was murdered with a friend. They argued, and then she left around the time of his death. Now that friend is missing. It's Julia Blenkinsop, Ma. And Rhiannon knows she's missing before the fiancé even reports it. It's weird, isn't it? It's weird.
하지만 경찰은 그녀의 남자친구를 의심하고 있었는데요.
Wasn't Blenkinsop's fiancé also at the club the night that Ryan Lloyd was killed? And he didn't report the misper until the article came out, which is weird. That is weird. And it is always the boyfriend, isn't it? It is. I want you to start there. Go see the fiancé. I want to see what's going on there.
그러던 중 타이어가 찢어진 줄리아의 자동차를 찾게 됩니다.
So you didn't see Julia?
No, I mean, I've gone home by then, so I didn't see anything.
Can I have a look inside the office?
We should probably ask Tommy's daughter. What is her name? Rena.
Oh, Rihanna.
Tommy's daughter is Rhiannon Lewis.
Yeah, something like that.
I'll be 5 minutes. I'll be really quick.
그리고 차를 비추는 CCTV가 있는 것을 알게 되는데
And your CCTV?
There, it's on USB stick.
하지만 영상을 저장해둔 USB는 이미 사라지고 없었죠. 그 사이 리에너는 처음으로 줄리아와 진솔한 대화를 나누게 되는데요.
Why did you do all that stuff to me at school?
I felt shit about myself, so I made you feel shit about yourself, and it made me feel better. End of. When I think about the stuff I did, I hate myself. I'm sorry.
그렇게 처음으로 그녀의 솔직한 본 모습을 보게 됩니다. 그리고 생각보다 닮은 점이 많은 그녀와 조금씩 친해지게 되는데
You going to see that guy from earlier?
No. Craig, actually.
Marcus wouldn't let me out the house without a full face on. He made me eat a lipstick once because I forgot to reapply. Imagine how different things would be if we were friends in school.
What, you think you could have saved me?
It's not what I meant.
Maybe I could have saved you.
I wish there was a way to save us both.
그렇게 증오하던 그녀에게 점점 동질감을 느끼게 되죠. 그리고 다음 날 리에너는 선배인 제프도 제치고 줄리아의 뉴스를 독차지하게 되는데요.
So, as I was saying, the search party. And like an in-depth article on Julia. Her likes, her dislikes, what she does in her spare time. I want to know everything. AJ, I want you there too. Additional reporting. I'd expect a big turnout.
제프는 그런 그녀를 대놓고 질투하고 있었죠.
Oh, God. Don't tell me to have finally had sex.
Don't you have an article about recycling bins to be writing, Jeff?
No.
한편 사건을 조사하는 경찰들은 계속 헛발질만 하고 있었는데
At this rate, Reddit will solve it before we do. Where did you get to with Marcus?
Well, I was following another lead. At Tommy's Transformations, where Julia's car was found. I found out something huge. Guess who Tommy's daughter is? Rhiannon Lewis.
유일하게 진범을 알고 있는 페로였지만 경찰에게 그런 그녀는 말을 듣지 않는 골칫거리일 뿐이었죠.
You live alone, right, Marina? And you have a cat?
Yes.
Let me guess. You love your cat, but your cat couldn't care less about you. It just comes in, eats your food, does a shit. Basically, it takes whatever it wants from you and then just pisses off again, right?
I guess. Yeah.
In this team, you're the cat.
Okay.
Stop being the cat. Your colleagues aren't here to feed you treats or work around your instincts.
Sorry, Mum.
She doesn't like Mavericks.
But I know I'm right.
그 사이 리에너는 취재를 위해 줄리아의 수색대에 합류하게 되고 페로도 포기하지 않고 그곳으로 향하게 되는데요.
Rhiannon. It's nice to bump into you again. Do you see Farah?
Yeah, I know.
And actually, it's because of you.
Sorry?
That piece you did on Julia. I mean, it's really generous, considering your history.
What history?
They went to school together.
그렇게 그녀의 과거를 까발리며 떠보게 됩니다.
I mean, I don't think I'd be so generous to my childhood nemesis. Lauren Perkins can go fuck herself.
You didn't say anything.
It's a long time ago.
Are you still doing that?
당황한 리에너는 급히 그곳을 떠나려 하는데
Sorry, I have...
심지어 그녀가 계속 집을 팔지 않자 화가 난 언니가 직접 찾아오려 하고 있었죠. 그때
Did you think it was clever vandalizing my home? Because you spilled coffee in my chair and stole from me, you tiny freak. You better watch yourself, love. I'll be talking to your friend Jeff. I'm gonna get you fired. Misconduct. Do you understand?
Hey, what's going on? Should I get that police lady?
본색을 드러낸 그의 협박을 듣고 결국 그를 죽일 결심을 하게 됩니다. 그런데
Jeff?
What were you gonna do?
Nothing.
Oh my God, it's you. You killed those men.
I can explain.
Oh my God.
I can explain. Jeff?
Oh God.
Jeff!
No!
Jeff! Wait!
그렇게 돌이킬 수 없는 사고가 생겨버리고 말았죠. 결국 겁에 질린 그녀는 아버지의 유품인 칼을 버리려 하는데 그의 협박 문자를 보고 상황을 뒤집을 작전 하나를 떠올리게 됩니다.
Framing him for kidnap and murder. It's a bit extreme.
폭력적인 마커스에게 자신이 저지른 모든 죄를 덮어씌울 생각이었죠.
You said you wished there was a way out of this for us both.
How would we do it? Hypothetically.
Okay. Well, we would lure him somewhere, right? And then tie you up like you've been there the whole time. Get him to touch the knife, and then you keep him sweet while I call the police. We just need to figure out where.
We could do it at the new place. Sunny Homes Estate. It's a building site. If you trip the alarm, he'll come.
So that means we're doing this.
Okay.
한편 리에넌이 범인이라고 확실한 페로는 그녀의 집으로 향하게 되는데
And I'm like, why would Rhiannon sell her house to Julia, of all people? And then Julia disappears the night she goes to discuss it.
When you said you wanted help, I thought it was moving a couch or something. Not doorstepping a suspect, actually a non-suspect.
What if Julia's in that house?
Oh, we can't search the place without a warrant. Such a bad idea.
하지만 두 사람은 이미 그곳을 떠난 뒤였죠.
Julia, are you there? This is the police.
That's not the way to do things, Marina. Come on.
그리고 계획대로 줄리아를 묶어놓고 마커스를 유인하게 되는데요.
Hello?
Marcus? Marcus, I'm in here.
Julia? What the fuck? Oh my god!
I think there's a knife in that drawer.
A knife? Who's done this to you?
Hurry before he comes back.
Services. Which service do you require?
Who did this?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
Man, I didn't see his face. He was
You must have...
wearing a balaclava.
그런데
Did he have sex with you? He did, didn't he? Where did you do it?
What are you doing, Marcus?
Where was it?
마커스는 생각보다도 더 정신 나간 인간이었습니다.
Let go of her!
What the fuck are you doing here? Julia? What's she doing here? What's going on? Julia?
It's over.
What?
I'm leaving you.
I love you. Gonna throw myself off here.
No, you won't.
하지만 그런 그에게 시달려온 줄리아도 제정신이 아니었는데
I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it, okay? Please don't. I'll come home, baby. I love you.
결국 그녀를 위해 한 가지 결심을 하게 됩니다.
Yeah, don't jump, Marcus.
그렇게 마커스는 사망하게 되고 경찰서로 연행된 리에넌은 페로의 신문을 받게 되는데요.
I'm just trying to get my head around how you worked out that Julia was at just some random address you found at Marcus's.
I got some threatening texts from Marcus. Like he was trying to warn me off. I did some digging, found out he had this development off the books. I thought probably be a good place to look. I'm a reporter, so it was just a hunch.
Right, so what happened when she got there?
It all happened so fast. She must have tripped the alarm or something because he was suddenly there with a knife.
Saying he was going to do to us what he did to those men. He knew everyone was going to find out what he'd done.
He said he was going to jump off the banister. And then he
slipped and just fell.
하지만 말을 맞춰둔 두 사람의 진술에는 빈틈이 없었죠.
And now going to show Julia a photo of evidence number XR920B. Have you seen this knife before?
Yes, I have.
Where have you seen it?
Marcus threatened me with it.
We think this knife was used in 2 other murders. Did Marcus ever mention anything like that? I don't think he did, because I don't think it was him.
Sorry, why do we have to go over it again? I already told you, and I'm really tired, and it's just, you know, it's really such a blur.
그러나 죽은 아빠 얘기까지 꺼내며 그녀를 자극하기 시작하는데요.
He was a big part of your life. You lived together. You looked after him when he got sick.
Yes, that's right.
That must be hard. Going through all that pain when you're so alone.
Sorry, is this going somewhere?
I'm not sure. You had no one. No dad, no sister around. And then your school bully turns up. The one who made you pull your hair out so much you had to wear a wig. And she tries to take away the one thing you have left of him, his house. No wonder you were so angry. I mean, I get it. All right. Now, you killed those men, Marina. And you were going to kill Julia
No,
too.
Farah.
But then something changed.
No, she's a victim. I saved her.
Unlike the other 2 bullies you stabbed to death.
Farah, out.
결국 또다시 그녀의 의견은 무시만 당하고 맙니다.
Idiotic policing. You don't know anything. You just make it up as you go along. We have no DNA evidence for the first 2 murders.
We have an actual murderer in custody.
No, we have 2 women, one whose physical exam confirms abuse and abduction, corroborating the same story about the same man, whose fingerprints were also found on the murder weapon.
At least just let me search a house.
No, let it go. Case closed. Get confirmation from CPS, but those women are free to go.
그렇게 리에넌은 모든 혐의를 벗고 집으로 돌아오게 되는데요. 돌아온 집에는 화장을 마친 아빠의 뼈가루가 배달되어 있었죠. 그리고 줄리아도 그녀의 집으로 오게 되는데요.
Seriously aggressive reporters outside my house.
Are you okay?
That wasn't the plan. You fucking killed him, so
No, not okay, actually.
I know. I know. Julia, he would have killed you. I had to save you from him. I swear, I will never kill again, but I had to. And now you're safe. You don't have to see him again. He can't hurt you anymore, okay?
한때 원수였던 그녀와 이제는 비밀을 나눈 친구가 되어 있었죠.
Free. We're free.
Oh, yeah, free.
그리고 함께 술집으로 향하게 되는데
I'm gonna get off my tits. I can't even feel them. Give me a bank card. Marcus froze mine. I saw an ATM over the road.
Yeah, 4179.
4179.
그렇게 그녀에게 카드까지 건네주고 예전엔 자신을 괴롭히기만 했던 그녀와 함께 놀게 됩니다. 그 사이 페로는 아직 포기할 생각이 없었는데요. 결국 그녀가 클럽에서 노는 사이 그녀의 집을 몰래 뒤지게 됩니다. 그리고 그곳에서 놀라운 단서를 발견하게 되는데 바로 사라졌던 CCTV 파일이 담긴 USB였습니다. 한편 그녀는 줄리아와 소중한 추억까지 공유하게 되는데요.
Dad loved it here. How you can see it all from up here. Like there's more to life if you want it. I think he'd be really proud of me.
For what?
Standing up for myself. I think I'm ready. Oh my God! He's all over my bag. Oh, fuck! He's everywhere.
I think he'd find it funny.
그렇게 아빠를 가슴속에서 떠나보내게 됩니다.
God, I feel like I can do anything. Like people finally see me. You know, like they believe in me.
I see you. Your pupils are massive.
그리고 약에 취한 사이 AJ에게 문자를 보낸 것을 알게 되는데 그렇게 돌아온 집에는 불청객이 찾아와 있었죠.
What are you doing in my house? Detective?
You know, a part of me was like, have I lost it? Could she have really done that? She's like the size of a small child. And then I saw the CCTV, and I was like, yeah, she could.
페로는 리에넌의 숨겨진 모습을 꿰뚫고 있었는데요.
People underestimate you, Rhiannon. They don't know what you're capable of, but I do.
Look, whatever you think you found, it's not that you can use it, is it? You broke in.
I don't care. I know you'll do it again.
Do what?
This isn't you, Rhiannon. This new life, it's all pretend. It's empty, and it's only a matter of time before they all realize that. You'll do it again. And when you do, I will be there. I just wanted you to know that.
그렇게 그녀에게 마지막 경고를 남기게 됩니다. 그리고 다음 날 줄리아는 그녀의 신문사를 찾아가게 되는데
Hi.
It's great to meet you, and I'm so sorry for everything. Sounds really intense.
Yeah, thanks.
그녀를 구해준 것으로 알려진 리에논은 이제 사무실의 스타가 되어 있었죠.
Hi, everyone. Here she is. Hero.
All right, don't crowd them. Someone, fetch the ladies some tea, please.
그리고 사건에 관한 인터뷰를 하게 되는데요.
Just remember the waiting. Not that I knew what for. Death, probably. And when I wasn't waiting, I was screaming. I had this rag in my mouth, and I can still taste it. It was humiliating. Someone I know putting me through that.
What would you say to him if he were here now?
You made me feel like an animal. Like I was nothing.
It's been a lot, hasn't it?
I get it though. People hurt you, you hurt people. It's a cycle. And it just goes round and round.
그런데
Until someone puts a stick in the spokes.
그녀의 의미심장한 말이 어딘가 불안하게 느껴졌죠.
Julia, are you okay? Are we good?
Of course, babe. I'm just hanging, total zombie. So why don't I do that? Just pop home and get my stuff. I'll come over later.
그리고 퇴근한 뒤 그녀와의 파티를 준비하기 시작하는데
Hey, Julia, it's me. Just checking if you still wanted to come over tonight. I'm home now, so yeah, Come over whenever. Okay, bye.
하지만 그녀를 찾아온 손님은 다른 사람이었습니다.
You're cooking.
Oh, yeah.
I
I broke up with Craig.
Fucking finally.
그렇게 그와의 오해를 풀고 즐거운 시간을 보내게 되는데요. 하지만 시간이 지나도 그녀는 나타나지 않았고 그녀의 카드로 항공권이 결제되었다는 문자를 받게 되죠.
Hi, it's Julia. Leave me a message.
Hi, it's me again. Do you still have my bank card? I just got a weird notification from BA. I don't know if I got hacked or if it's you, maybe? So, yeah, call me back.
그리고 AJ는 돌아온 그녀에게 새로운 소식을 들려주는데
I meant to tell you, I got my first police contact. I met him in the dog park walking mum's cockapoo.
Look, you sent me this. No one else has it. It's the murder weapon.
Serious bit of kit, that.
그런데 그는 칼의 주인이 누군지 알고 있었습니다.
It's a serious bit of kit you got there.
AJ?
결국 그에게 진실을 털어놓을 수밖에 없었는데요.
I was grieving.
What?
I was so angry. You saw how I was when we first met. I mean, people just dismissed me.
What did you do?
I stood up for myself. They were bad people, AJ. They were bullies. I mean, the world is a better place without them.
Oh my God.
하지만 도저히 그녀를 이해할 수 없었죠.
AJ, you see me. You know me. You're the only one who really sees
You're
me.
a monster.
I'm not.
I have to go.
No, AJ, you can't.
My mum will be wondering because I haven't.
AJ, you can't go.
Rhiannon, let go.
No, you can't leave me.
Rhiannon, get off me.
그때
I'm not. I'm not.
Rhiannon, you here?
지금까지 스위트 피 시즌 1 내용이었습니다.